Hello and welcome to Infinitude. This is the summary of Vue Fundamental Series. At first, we started with installing the latest Node.js and Vue CLI. We created Vue project using Vue CLI, and we dived in how the Vue CLI renders the component, where main.js is the entry point of the project. Components, styles, JavaScript files are compiled and injected inside the index.html. We learned the file and folder structure inside the Vue project. We learned how to create a new component, import that component, register in main.js or in another component, further properties transfer from parent to children component as props. We learned how to create primitive data types. We also learned about how to create methods and use the event listeners like click, mouse hover, key up, and created computed properties, which gives the computed logic. And at last, we use the submit event handling in form and collected all datas, for example, input tag, radio button, selection tag, etc., and console out the collected data, which can even be used for the payload for post API, and even we can save in the local database using other platforms. If you want to go through the tutorials, that you can find playlist in the I button and in the description as well. We will be back with another video series using Vue 3 in first week of December.